Hey everyone, let's talk about a key ingredient for young skin, Type III Collagen. So what is collagen? It's the main building block of your skin. There are many types, but Type III is super important when we talk about usefulness. Think of it as the baby collagen. It makes your skin soft, bouncy, and elastic. Here's the problem. After age 20, we lose about 1% of our collagen every year, and Type III collagen drops the fattest. This loss leads to the fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, and dullness. Our skin just can't stay young without it. So, how can we get this used collagen back? Regular skincare often isn't enough. That's where OTESALY Collagen Lift comes in. OTESALY Collagen Lift helps you get young and glowing skin. It uses special and safe collagen made in the lab. These products work deep in your skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It makes your skin brighter and gives it strong moisture, so your face looks fuller and firmer. It also makes pores smaller, lighten dark circles, and tighten the skins around your eyes. OTESALY Collagen Lift can also be used in conjunction with other mesotherapy products for better results, helping you bring back that youthful, healthy glow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.